right, folks, this is video 8.1. It's going to be the review of the first module. I hope everything's well, okay? All right, I found this, which I think is going to be really helpful to review, okay? We're going to use these 6 diagrams here of angles to answer questions 25 through 29, okay? All right, so here we go. Question 25. Which diagram or diagrams shows adjacent angles? Okay, remember, adjacent angles are angles that are side by side. They share a ray. Well, if you look at example A, those 2 angles right there are separate. They're not sharing a common ray, so A is not an answer. Look at diagram B. You've got angle 1 and that 90. They're side by side. They share a ray. Actually, all 1, 2, 3, 4 angles are side by side, so they're adjacent to somebody. So number 25 so far, we can put B. Okay. If you look at C, absolutely, angle 1 and angle 2 is adjacent, so C is legit. All right. If you look at D, angle 1 and angle 2 are definitely adjacent, so you can put D. Example E, absolutely not side by side, they're separate. And then finally look, F, angle 1 and 2, angle 1 and that 90. There's a whole bunch of angles that are side by side as you go through that diagram, okay? All right, 26, which diagram shows vertical angles? Okay, I had a hard time with this one at first. Look at B here, all right? Look, angle 1 is heading northward, okay, and angle 2 is opposing it. See how it's made? Actually, let me highlight it. See how these are made from the 2 same lines? And then look, they're not adjacent. Okay, they're not adjacent, so the example would be B for vertical angles. All right, we're talking about that 1 and 2. Which diagram shows complementary angles? Okay, so complementary, supplementary, always put them in alphabetical order. Complementary is 2 angles adds up to 90. Supplementary is next in alphabetical order, 2 angles that adds up to 180. So we're looking for 2 angles that adds up to 90. All right, look at A here, 61, 71, 81, that would be 90 degrees. So A is definitely complementary. All right, is there anybody else? That's too high. Oh, okay, look over here, look at F. See how that's 90 right there? Then also these 2 would be 90. So then it's also F. Okay, complementary is adds up to 90. All right, now we're doing the other one. Supplementary adds up to what's that? Oh yeah, absolutely E, because 135 and 45 would be 180. So you can definitely put E. Notice they're not adjacent. They don't have to be. Okay, and what's that? Oh yeah, and D. Okay, if you can't tell that D is supplementary, look, you have that nice straight edge right here. So that means that orange line is 180, and those 2 are coming together and making 180. And finally, I gave it away. Which diagram shows a linear pair? Well, not only is 1 and 2 supplementary, but it also forms a linear pair. You know, they're adjacent, so therefore you can put D here. Okay, hopefully that helps. Like I was telling you, there's a lot of language in this course, which can be absolutely frustrating. Okay, let's find another juicy problem to do. How about number 30 here? And just for you guys, I'm going to zoom in as best I can. I'm loving this technology, man. I can see what I'm doing as I'm videotaping. Okay, they want X, so we got to make a decision. Look, these are absolutely vertical angles. See how 10x plus 1 is heading north, and 12x minus 5 is heading south. So absolutely these are vertical angles. Well, vertical angles are always congruent. So I'm going to take the one angle and I'm going to set it equal to the other one. And I got nothing better to do, so I might as well, right? This might be kind of fun. We'll see. All right, now look, you can't simplify the left, you can't simplify the right, but you can get x's together. And now you have negative 2x plus 1 equals negative 5. Then you subtract 1 from both sides, and negative 2x equals negative 6. Whoa, we're slipping there. And then you divide by negative dose, x equals 3. Okay? What's interesting about this type of problem is really it's very little geometry. This is straight up algebra 1. You just had to know that these angles are vertical and then therefore they are congruent, okay, or they're the same measure. Okay, talk to me about that example. I've got one more for you. Ooh, here comes major fun. Let's try number 31 here. I'm gonna fold this so we can get this nicely in the screen. All right, 31. Well, those are adjacent, aren't they? Those angles that are marked. So you wanna focus on this straight edge right here. This straight edge right here tells you that these two angles come together and make 180 degrees. So, okay, they're supplementary, they make 180 degrees. So I'm gonna take the 4x plus 7, all right, I'm gonna add it to 2x plus 5, and after I add it, I'm gonna set it equal to 180. All right, here we go, that's what, 6x plus 12, it's a linear pair, they add up to 180, put the 180 over here. 6x, I'm going to subtract the 12. I'm sure someone out there is quicker than I am, but I got to make sure my brain is on today. 168. And then 168, you're going to divide by 6, and you get your answer of 28. Hey, look, we finished Module 1. Hopefully you survived. Okay, take it easy. Hope to see you soon.